Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting into the Play console and confirming your developer account. That $25 fee is a gate, so complete billing. Once there, build and sign an AAB with your key store and secure the password. This key controls updates. Prepare store assets, a high-res icon, feature and phone screenshots, and concise short and long descriptions. Make sure your package name and version code are final. Changing package name later breaks continuity. Next, open the Play console app release flow to begin upload. Now you create a release. Choose a track, use internal for quick tests, closed for beta, open or production for broad audiences. Upload your signed AAB and add release notes that explain what changed. Then complete the app content forms, privacy policy URL, data safety declarations, content rating questionnaire. Google uses these for approval, so be accurate. Also set pricing and distribution regions, and toggle device types like Android TV. Once done, finish by running pre-launch tests and an internal test track to catch crashes and permission dialogues. These reports reveal runtime problems before users see them. Then initiate a staged rollout. Start small, like 5 to 10%, so you can monitor stability and metrics. If Google rejects the app, read the rejection reason carefully. Often it's policy, manifest permissions, or misleading metadata. Fix the listed issue, increment version code, rebuild the signed AAB, and resubmit. One tip, keep your key store backed up. Losing it prevents updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.